wanna shout, Blippi!
Hey!
Hey, Backhoe! Backhoe, come back! We need your help!
Hey, Backhoe!
Hey!
We need to ask you for a favor.
What's your favor?
Well, our favor is that we have all this foliage and dirt and palm trees and ferns and sunflowers and stuff like that right here, and we need it out.
Well, I am a backhoe, and I can certainly help.
Oh,
I'm so happy that Backhoe is willing to help us get this out of here.
Okay, well, let me do my work.
This is gonna be cool.
wow!
Thanks, Backhoe. Now it's all gone. You did such a great job.
Oh, thank you so much.
Well, now that Backhoe's here and now everything is all gone, I think this is a perfect time to learn the parts of a backhoe. Wow. What a cool piece of machinery. Okay, let's start with this part. This thing back here, yeah, that is the back bucket. It digs and scoops. Wow, that's really cool. And then that part right there, that is the arm. Kind of like this, the arm. And then the boom, that's the boom, and the boom and the arm can extend and rotate and dig with the bucket. And then, ooh, look at these things. Those are the stabilizer legs. They go down and keep the backhoe stable while it digs. Wow. And then this is the cab. That's where the backhoe operator sits and drives the backhoe. Or they face that way and operate the back bucket. And then this is the engine. That's where the backhoe gets all of its power from. And then that is the front bucket. Wow, it's really big. And then those are the tires. And that looks like about all the parts of the backhoe. It was so fun learning the parts of the backhoe with you. If you want to watch me, Blippi, go and show you a real backhoe when I get to operate it and drive it around, all you gotta do is search for my name and then Backhoe. You know my name. Yeah, it's Blippi. B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi, that's my name. So just search Blippi Backhoe. All right, see you later. Bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Parents, siblings, grandparents, babysitters. I'd love for you to head on over to my social media pages like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter because I have fun news updates, behind the scenes, and even free merchandise giveaways. Just search for my name, Blippi.
One.